Chukulia tu video. You good? Yes, we start, eh?
Let me start, eh?
Wacha tutamta simu nyingine jinsi zangu.
Boniface Mwangi. Boniface Mwangi ni uria wahurirwo rithathi ni muthigari akiendia maski Nairobi. Maski icio nicio ici cie haha iria Boniface mahetia make manene muno mari kwendia maski ethere mami wao sukari. Nake muthigari ahetwo watho ahure rithathi anyhowly tondu akire na protection ya kuma kuria yakiumite agigitua wira no kuratha mwana wene uyu akomete haha kiria giothe arwagirira kana kiarwagirirwo ni ari angi umuthi bururi mugima na the yothe ni muona moimirira uria mahana tutire na oru tutire na ohoro no tondu wathe no ndwambataga iguru maithori maria mami wa mwana kioyo warira kana maithori maria mami wa mwana uyu arira umuthi ni undu wa muhunjia kumugaruruka makinyira Ngai no tukuona uria guguthie ni mwahetia muno ni kugaruruka mukui ona mwaka utari muthiru iyo na mutingia kirekana ari akiambe agituike ni mwahetia muno milioni icio 10 citingiuma muoyo wa mwana uyu na rikorwo ni warugamirira tu kihoto uria woigire na rikorwo ginya nyumba iria gwatuikite ni mugwaka mutiakire mbeca iria ciahothirwo citiakinyire ciagithire ku. This is so wrong, this is not right, na tugurugamirira tugubuatirira ginya kihoto kia mwana uyu gikoneka ona kana gitikuoneka thino ya riua no gikoneka iguru ni mwahetia muno. It's very wrong.
So my name is MC Chris and wacha niongee tu kizungu because I'm addressing the whole nation. Sindio?
Yeah.
So my name is MC Chris Kirubi Jr. Where I'm standing right now is where Boniface is buried. Boniface is the mask vendor. You can see the mask over here. And Boniface is one of us till today. He's our Gen Z, born in 20. Born in 20 what?
23.
Born in 20 what?
23.
Hiyo ni 23. 23. Huyo mtu akona miaka ngapi sasa hivi?
Ni 22.
22. Hiyo ni miaka ngapi? 24. So Boniface here represents a young generation and youths in Kenya that have been fighting for justice and they have been fighting for this country. Kenyans tend to forget very easily, and personally I will say this, Boniface, we are sorry, and very soon, I don't know when, but I know very soon, the justice that we have been looking for and a sober mind from our leaders and a sober country, it will come to pass. We are not backing off and we are not going off. Battery imewaka na imechajiwa na iko on unless they kill God. But we are here to stay. And I want to urge my fellow Kenyans and my fellow young leaders, my Gen Zs, and everybody who believe in this country. This is the time to understand that humanity and Kenya is bigger than anybody else. And justice must prevail. Until justice prevails, nothing will happen. Tangu kijana alale hapa, this was the end. The government has never done anything. Wazazi hakuna kitu, no compensation, no government officials to attend here. Wakuja wajua what happened. Nobody is taken to court because of this. And everybody is walking freely. And we just think like that is, it is just something, ni kitu ya walk away. So losing such kind of a soul and so many other souls. And then we think like it's a norm in our country. This madness should stop. And we must be protected. And every Kenyan must be protected. And every youth in this land must speak out and fight for this country. And najua wanasemanga maybe the youths are fighting the government. We are not fighting the government. We are not fighting even the leaders. We are fighting the characters that you present to us. The corruption that is here with us. We are fighting unemployment with our youth. We are fighting such kind of hooliganism. Watoto wetu wanauliwa tukiangalia na macho hivi when they are fighting for this country. That is what we are fighting for. If they work for that, utaona nani akikuja kupigana na serikali? If you provide employment, we have been fighting for good health. Tukipata madawa kwa hospitali, na hospitali zikuwe accessible, who you will see on the street. Education ikiwa free. Saizi mlituambia education ni free. Wazazi wanapeleka watoto shule alafu wanaambiwa warudi. Utaona nani kwa street? No one. And we have the resource. Kenya is big. Kenya is rich. Work on it. And this is the time. And viva Kenya. Viva Gen Z. Viva youths. Viva viva. Viva viva. Viva viva. Viva viva. Viva viva. Viva viva. We are not backing off. It's just started. Thank you. Wanataka tupige kwa picha?